what's up, guys? Just got a pretty nice package in today. I'm down for sound. Got my address covered up. But anyway, it's for the charger. Finally went lithium. I'm excited, but here's the thing. We got a car show tomorrow, Apple Chill in Rockingham, and I need to get this battery charged up and put it in the car. And I got work to do to the truck too. And I'm getting my roof replaced also today, so I can't even really go outside. Like, they're out there beating and all kind of stuff. So anyway, let's get this battery to the garage. We're gonna get this on the charger ASAP, and we get ready for this install. So normally I don't have the RAM in the garage, but I've been doing like a full paint correction on it, trying to make sure she good and scratch free for tomorrow. So it's taking up a lot of my space in here. But anyway, I got this little charger that's going to be used for actually all of my batteries, but using it mainly for the lithium. You can see this right here is my other charger. This is actually on the RAM because the RAM runs some regular North Star, so should be 100%. You see the green light, so that means she's ready to go. But I can't use this charger on the lithium battery supposedly, so I got this from Amazon. But let's go ahead and get the battery out. All right, so that's what the box looks like. I was wondering where my stickers and stuff is at.
Wow.
Stickers. Stickers there.
Yeah.
Oh, that shirt dope.
Oh yeah, dirt.
Look, lollipop. You want lollipop? You want it?
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. You wanna look at the box? The camera. Camera to the box.
Come on the box.
There we go. My son ain't paying no attention. So, powered by JY stickers. M6 screws and all that good stuff. And the main event. It's crazy. So, give me the camera because my son ain't paying no attention. Alright, so this is the battery. I think it's some kind of aluminum casing that's non-conductive. It's pretty dope. Positive, negative terminals, and I should have just enough to not need anything else. I got some adapters that should allow me to use the factory studs for the battery. And then let's see, we got one for the 8K, one for the JP23, then one for the tweeter amp. Yeah, should work out without needing anything extra. So first things first, let's check the voltage. So what we're going to do is connect the battery charger and go ahead and get this topped all the way off. So the way I'm going to do that, the way that I figured out what you're supposed to do. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is turn on the power supply. And make sure all the dials are rotated to the left. This is just me doing my research. So I need to turn it up just a little bit for current so we get something. And now I want to set my voltage. From what I can find, I think I want to do this at about 14.6. This battery can be charged up to a maximum of 14.8. So use the fine adjustment. Okay, 14.6. And now you short the leads to find your amperage rating. So that's 1 amp. I think I can do this up to about 6 amps. That's what I was reading online. So that's actually kind of fast, but so I'm gonna do 14.6 at 6 amps. Alright, so we know we set the voltage at 14.6, and now I know I exactly have 6 amps that's going to limit. So unshort the leads, and then so we can see that. And now we're just gonna hook it up to the battery. Actually, I'm gonna put some terminals on here so we have something to grip it onto. I'm getting a lot of little dust, I guess, from when they machined the screws. Or these bars or whatever they're called. A lot of dust in here, so just make sure you can take time to clean that out. It's only the positive one so far. If you got like a can of air, it might be best to just blow these out. Alright, so I should be good. Alright, so now I got everything cleaned out and I got my studs on here. We can see that this right at 14.6. Let's back that down. Okay, 14.6. What is hard work? And should be 6 amps. Okay, and basically 6 amps. So now I can cut the unit off, hook up my leads. Alright, so while I got the battery on the charger here, just a little bit about the battery. See that Life PO4? I don't know if I'm saying that right, but you know, that's what it is. You can see it takes a max charge of 14.8, minimum charge of 13.8, and that's perfect for me because I don't really have plans of, you know, going crazy high voltage on my charger. Even though it's a 2015, I still consider that a newer car. I don't know, I'm just not really a fan of super high voltage stuff. Another thing is I could run it with the AGM if I had to, but if I had any issues, you know, going back to what it was shouldn't be a big deal. I got to change my alternators and stuff like that. All I want to do is just hold a decent voltage, and this battery weighs about 15 pounds. Currently, there are 4 AGMs in the charger. I just added one the other day to try to see if it was going to help my voltage, and it really didn't. Only thing it did was make my car lower. So should free up a lot of weight. Should be a much faster car with a couple 100 pounds going out the trunk. And I should be able to have some decent voltage. I do not have a high output alternator. The one that comes on the charger is 180 amps. So we're gonna see how that do. If I have to get a high output alternator, I probably will go ahead and do it. But like I said, I just want to see this first. See, I said 180 amps is not small. This truck has a high output one, and it's 250. So anyway, like I said, we're gonna see, man. But I've been excited to get this battery. Goal right now is to get it fully charged. Then I will throw it in the car later. Peace out. All right, y'all. So made a small mistake with my charger and getting this battery to charge. Long story. But anyway, these are the terminals I added to hopefully be able to connect the positive and negative that's in the car directly to here without doing any crazy wiring. Only thing I wish is that they were reversed, because the charger positive is at the front of the trunk and the negative is in the back. But got the car out here, just finished buffing and waxing and everything else to that truck. I'm beat. But anyway, I'm about to go ahead, pull everything out of this car, show y'all what all we're gonna be replacing, and we'll see if this is plug and play as I think. So let's go ahead and get this trunk open, get everything out, and get on with this. Working with a limited time. All right, y'all, let's in. Look rough right now because I ain't really got time to clean it up, and I ain't quite ready to show y'all what my trunk looks like. But let's just move some stuff around real quick and I'll show y'all that. Bam, it's in. All right, so you seeing the charger makes it really easy to do, but we'll go through all that in a later video. I'm just trying to get it in. I don't have the positive hooked up because I heard that they can drain real quick if the alternator's not running. My boy had that problem. I think it drained dead in like 5 minutes. And the long story, but I messed my charger up. So this is resting at 13.1. Hopefully it cranks the car and the alternator just take in and do what it needs to do. I'm gonna let it run for a little while. So we're gonna see. Like I said, I messed my charger up. Show us tomorrow. So just all the time, that's just kind of what happens when you know you got too much going on. So anyway, let's hook this positive up, see if the car crank up. Yeah, I'm terrified of the first startup. Let's see what happens. Alright. Motor just climbing. $13.4, $13.5. So I'm gonna let it run to hopefully charge the battery. So the battery voltage is 13.5. Alright, so this should start rising. Okay, this came on. Okay, so the voltage should start rising after I let it run for a while. I'm gonna let it run for a long time. I'm just gonna pull it out the garage and I'm gonna tighten up the back and we'll see what's up. But like I said, you can see right now voltage is at 13.5, 13.6, and same for here. So they're in sync. So yeah, let's let this bad boy charge up. All right, y'all, we're gonna see how the voltage is in the morning. Oh, so the car is sitting right outside the garage. It is currently on and charging. It has went from like 13.5, it's already up to 14 volts now. But anyway, so what that one JY HP40 replaced. So this was in the factory location. That's the Autocraft Platinum H7 AGM. So I did a swap with that like in 2016 or 2017. So that was one. Then what I was running for the longest time, probably for 2 years now, I had bought these from a guy that was upgrading to lithium. These are just the Duracell AGMs. I think you get it from Sam's Club. But anyway, so I was running that one and that one. So I had the AGM in the factory location and then 2 Group 31 AGMs. I ran that for a long time. Then just recently I noticed that my voltage was starting to rest pretty low. And so what I did last week was add this North Star NSB AGM 31. So I have 3 Group 31 batteries and an H7 AGM in the trunk up until today. And then also we got terminals, sky high terminals, and all of this 0 gauge, actually that's sky high 1/0 OFC cable. So all of that and all of that just came out with the installation of that one 15-pound lithium battery. I'm pretty sure I might have to get the weight, but I think each one of these is like 70 pounds. I think all 3 of these is like 70 something pounds. So that's 7 times 3, that's 210. Plus I think this one right here is 50. So it's basically 260-ish pounds, somewhere around there, that I probably got rid of, plus the wire. So we probably say 275 pounds in reduction, where actually I guess 260 pounds maybe in reduction if you think about the 15-pound battery. So we're gonna see how I do. But anyway, I'm trying to clean my garage up. Man, I'm so freaking busy. I got to get the truck in here, finish. I got to put a side mirror on that. But we're gonna just let that battery, you can kind of see the car over there in the corner. We're just gonna let her charge up. I'll probably let it run for about an hour and I'll see where we're sitting at. So I'm gonna get this garage cleaned up. I'll check back in with y'all in an hour. All right, y'all, it is 1 in the freaking morning. Actually, probably about 1:30, 1:18. And I hate to crank this car up, but let's just see where we resting at. So I'm just checking it up front at the jump points. Okay, lithium resting at 13.3. So, alright. That's what it's gonna be. About to move this thing around, get it in the garage. And we can be out of here in the morning.